Hi guys, my name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm gonna teach you how to make amazing fluffy pancakes. Stay tuned, subscribe for more. Yes. I'm going to use 2 eggs. We're going to break our eggs. Mix it up. Just mix it up. We're going to put half a cup of milk. So you measure half a cup of milk. Going to mix it up. And then you can put 1 tablespoon of sugar, and for salt, just a pinch of salt. Our flour, you just keep mixing until your mixture is fully mixed up, completely, fully incorporated all the ingredients. And I always like to add half a teaspoon of baking powder on top, just to have those fluffy, yummy pancakes for you. And it's that easy. You mix it up and you're ready to go. Once you've finished mixing up your butter, look at that, it's very easy to make pancakes. We're going to scoop 1 spoon, and then you heat your pan, put some oil, and then you just scoop it like that, just like that. You can choose to spread it so that it cooks completely. So you're going to do that. Spread it on the side like this, so that it forms that circle that you want. Amazing fluffy pancakes for you. Going to let that cook until it browns on one side, and then you turn it over. Then you put on the other side. Look at that, it looks so good. So your pancake is done. I'm gonna do another one. Just put your 1 scoop of butter, then you can just spread it evenly, just to make that 1 circle. There you go. One side that is cooked, you're going to turn over. That is looking so good. Of course, put oil on the other side, 1 tablespoon, to let it cook. Look at that. Looks so good and fluffy. Amazing fluffy pancakes. gonna do 2 more. Remember the process, just scoop 1 full teaspoon of your butter. Then you spread it evenly so that you have a nice circle. That is good. And then you put some oil, just 1 tablespoon of oil, just like that. Finally, your pancakes are done. They look so amazing. Yes. And finally, look what you have, amazing fluffy pancakes. It is so easy to make these amazing pancakes at home. All you need is to just follow the steps and follow all the steps you've done. Yes, and you'll be able to make this. And I can't wait to have a taste. As usual, let's see. I'm gonna have one. So here we go. Here we go. Look at that. It is so fluffy. You can see. It looks so good. So good. And so soft. Look at that. Full of flavor. It is so delicious. I love it. This is so good. It is so good. I love the fact that it's so soft. When you put it in your mouth, it just melts away, and it goes well with honey. So if you love some honey, just spread it on your pancakes just like this, and you will love it. Look at that. It looks so good and tastes so delicious. Try this recipe. Tell me how it turned out. Please comment down below. Let me know how your experience was. Yes. So that's it from me. Bye.